Hi, my name is Stacy Dicks, and I'm an academic advisor with the College of Education Advising Center at Stephen F. Austin State University. I will be providing you information on how to view and approve your advising form. This tutorial is for undergraduates in the College of Education. Before obtaining your advising form, you will need to schedule an appointment with your advisor. You will do this by logging into your MySFA account and selecting the Advising tab. Under the Advising tab, you will see your assigned advisor. Under their picture, you will click the link that reads Schedule an appointment with your advisor. You will then be redirected to the appointment scheduling system. Click on the blue Schedule an Appointment button and follow the prompts. If needing additional information on appointment scheduling, please watch our video tutorial named How to Schedule an Advising Appointment. Once you have successfully completed your advising session, you'll be able to proceed with the next steps for approving and viewing your advising form. First, you will need to log back into your MySFA account and click on the Home tab. Under Important Information, you should see a link that reads Please review and acknowledge your completed advising forms. Click on this link to proceed. You will now see the Advising Form Approval menu. On the right, you will need to click on the link that reads Please Approve Here. Upon doing so, you will receive a message from the web page asking you to acknowledge the advising form and its contents. Select OK to complete this process. Once this is done, your academic advising hold should be removed instantly. If it is not removed, please email your advisor for assistance. You will be able to access your approved advising form at any time from your MySFA Advising tab. Select the link that reads For Completed Advising Forms, click here. At the bottom of your Student tab, you will select the link which reads Completed Advising Forms. From this menu, make sure you select the correct term, for example, Spring 2019, and click on View Form. Here's an example of what your advising form will look like. At the top of the form, you will see your information, advisor name, semester of advisement, and your major. In the middle of your form, you will see the courses you should register for, as well as other specific course requirements. At the bottom of your form, you will typically see alternate course options and additional important information. You will be required to meet with your advisor each semester prior to being permitted to register for courses. If you ever have any questions regarding your advising form, please email your advisor for assistance.
I hope you found this video tutorial to be helpful. You can always follow our YouTube channel at SFA COE Advising for more tutorial options. Of course, you can always contact your advisor via email or by calling our office at 936-468-2901. Thanks for watching. Action Jacks!